Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, our monitoring spirit they call Metro UK don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal they prepare formal offer for Gremio midfielder where they call Bitello. Now, Arsenal don't send representatives over there. Yesterday I been talking for the live update. Say Arsenal send people go there. But like I said, the talks don't they go advanced stage. So Arsenal they prepare offer. Now it got some things they interesting about this offer. Now two clubs 9 get this player. So the first one now Gremio. Gremio gets 70% ownership of the player. Then another club that they call FC Cascavel. They can own 30% of the player. Now Gremio talks for their own 70%. They need 10 million euros, which is about 8.5 million pounds for the player. Now Cascavel, we never know how much them will need, but let us assume say now the same ratio with waiting and Gremio they request 9 them one. So at the end of the day, we'll be spending like 12.4 million euros on this deal to sign the player. Now me don't go YouTube, I don't go check the player, even though I still put a caveat that YouTube always assembles the best moments of players. But be that as it may, this guy the first way we attract to this player, the fact say this guy they wipe outside shots, like from outside 25 yard attack, boom, like last angle up corner. That one self make me come fall in love with the blow because I like midfielders when they wipe all those kind of Steven Gerrard, Lampard shots get from outside, those post goals moments get from outside, all those kind of midfielders. That kind of thing they endear me to them. So and apart from that, the guy is very fast, yes, skillful. I love what I saw. You get so no excuse to say okay the guy boy no good or anything. No reason. I just like everything. So and for Arteta to identify that player, say I want this player to come and play for me, and for them to send Edu Gaspar, we be our director of football. We know say no be small thing, like they really want the player. The boy is 23 years old in the season because Brazil they for the middle of the season now. The season they ongoing. This is their own calendar and our calendar for the EPL don't be the same. So the guy don't score like 7 goals, make 4 assists. He's playing very well as a midfielder. Now this is the catch now. Gremio they talk say if they sell the guy to Arsenal, say Arsenal will still leave the boy, make him stay for Brazil, finish the season with them. Whether Arsenal will agree to that kind of thing, I can't say for now. There's so much just to watch. But the thing is, Arteta is very interested in signing him. Even some sources they come outside they talk say Arteta want to use the boy as a very good like partner for Declan Rice for the middle of the park. So whether if they sign this one, they will come forget Romeo Lavia. We never really know. No more just the watcher because the deal will be something they say will cost much. Like I told you guys, money no day. Yes, we don't have any money kept anywhere. So we're looking at how to manage our meager resources after spending 200 million. So let's just keep watching. Alright, so Porto star, what they call Meditaremi, don't come as I call they post Manchester United badge on Instagram. So this is an indication that he would love to join Manchester United, and Manchester United have open talks and discussing with them. So this one means say Arsenal may not likely go for him again because the player has actually given us a sign that he doesn't want to play for us, he wants to play for them. So good riddance to bad rubbish. We are not in the place where we beg people, and he knows if he come here in Benjamin Long like mad. But if you go Manchester United, then get slots for number 9 when they come because Weghorst with the sign on loan, make all replace Ronaldo. That one said don't go back to Besiktas or wherever they come from. So they have a slot. If anything go there, he's likely going to play and in the first 11. But if you come Arsenal, in Benjamin go long at G again. So that's just the truth of the matter. So we'll just watch as everything they go. Alright, today is the birthday of one of our senior community member, Oga Right Ahmed. So Baba May Lions for the place for you today and wish you all the best things life has to offer. Baba even say make I send my house, I send me 5k to support the ministry that we are doing here, and we say wherever I can see money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. Get out, boss. Alright, you see this Declan Rice saga where they talk to West Ham, they complain say Declan Rice, say Arsenal they delay the deal, get so me can they rethink am. So the first question I'm asking is why is West Ham complaining? They get Shebi na Arsenal dey delay. Na Arsenal everything supposed to dey for their hand to hasten the thing. Why are they complaining? The delay, is it affecting them in any way? It's not like Arsenal is giving them money now. We don't get a window where we go pay the money. So I was not thinking, is it that West Ham hid something in the contract so they don't want to make Arsenal fine? Because normal contract issues, no be wetin dem dey take play. If your lawyer draft contracts, give me make I sign. My own lawyer gats read them from top to bottom. If the pages na 158 pages, my lawyer will read them carefully, line by line, so that you do not hide something there. And in the future, you now ask me, we put say you go pay me extra bonus if I just qualify for Champions League, I go pay extra 50 million. I can say, we want to put that one. They go say, no, you sign the contract. If you take it to court, job, you say, are you not the one that signed the contract? This is not your signature. Did you read it? See, ignorance is not an excuse in the eyes of the law. So I only ask, why is West Ham leaking these things to the press? Telling the press that Arsenal is doing their due diligence. That's just the truth of the matter. This is like the biggest deal we've done in our history. Do you think we'll leave things to chance? So make us think like outside the box, so they think I'm the other way around. Say, why is West Ham leaking this thing? You don't want Arsenal to do their due diligence properly. Did you hide something there? So I don't know whether I don't reason towards that direction, but just watch. I don't think the deal is going to be scattered. At the end of the day, I think everything will go, because the deal don't come far along for it to come and scatter this time now. So just watch. Alright, so for those who know they are aware, so now today night Arsenal will play this their friendly with Nuremberg. You get, so we'll check your go if you watch the match. So and if you don't forget, last season, our preseason, we played the same Nuremberg and we flogged them 5-3. That was Gabriel Jesus' debut. If you remember, Gabriel Jesus scored 2 goals for that match. Nuremberg did 2 own goals. I don't forget who scored because he had 5-3. I don't forget who scored the final one, because first half I think that Nuremberg even first bossed 2-0 back. Again, the CHUKS. So Gabriel Jesus scored replied back. So now the match they end 5-3. It was a very, very exciting match. So for this one too, me, I just say the match could be somehow exciting also, and for the fact say we get a mix of young stars and some kind of professionals who go play. I don't really know the kind of lineup where Ateta will deploy, but all I know is that the match will be very, very exciting, and I hope we watch them. But my own mind now the USA, that one, if now midnight I go wake up, I go watch them, because I want to see how our boys could play those ones. Alright, so Declan Rice, one yesterday, the guy they trained with Portuguese internationals like Bruno Fernandes, Cancelo, and Rafaelio for Portugal. He gets, so now they're in the train to make sure say in they fit, so that he will come join Arsenal officially, like travel with the boys. So more just to watch. I just think Arsenal, make them know they're under pressure, make them check their contracts very well and make sure say West Ham no hide anything. He gets, check them very well. They, at the end of the day, they go announce them. See, Fabrizio don't announce, everybody don't announce. It is an open secret already. Everybody knows the guy don't be a Arsenal player. So nothing, they no go pressure us to just do a shabby work. We need to do our job, our due diligence, check the contract, make sure everything is certified okay before we put our signature on that deal. The thing no affect West Ham in any way. No affect them from buying their own player. After all, they don't do photo shoots for their new squad. They don't put Declan Rice there. For their store where they sell jerseys, they don't come on Declan Rice jersey there. Declan Rice name no for that squad again. So what is the problem? Why are they in haste to get? Now we supposed to complain. Don't complain on our behalf. The delay no affect you in any way. So when I calm down, we go do our work. When I go do now. Alright, to get another 2 hours on top, I just see yesterday, we just bust my brain. You see Chelsea now. Chelsea is struggling, according to Fabrizio Romano, struggling to pay £100 million for Caicedo with Brighton. Then they beg Brighton for 70 million. Brighton say no, say Caicedo is as good as Rice. Now this thing can't take my mind aback. The time we saw the price and Declan Rice, we price 80, we price 90, we just the price. Some Arsenal fans were saying if to say na Chelsea, they go not sign this player. But Arsenal they delay. Look at your Chelsea. They are struggling to buy a Caicedo. Should be they say they need Caicedo. They don't sell a lot of players, which means they have realized more than 100 million. Why can they not bring us 100 million from the money they have realized from player sales and purchase this Caicedo, since now the player wouldn't feel say will take them to the promised land? Why? Let me know. So there is no excuse. Because people know that all these selling clubs they exaggerate the value of their players, and money is not easy to come by. So that's the major reason why Chelsea still dey beg 70 million. Okay, I beg 80 million. Chelsea supposed to even understand say Arsenal once upon a time offered 80 million and it was refused. Well, I wish them all the best of luck in their own endeavor. Make them shall no pass us. We will go overtake them. Alright, so another thing we want to hear from our sources now the fact say Arsenal no dey rush to get William Saliba back early because they won't try to reduce the guy load. When I don't forget say Saliba gets back injury, but now he has recovered, so they try to like lessen the load. So the match you go play against Nuremberg, you may not see him, at the same time you may see him. So now Arteta prerogative to decide whether he would like to play Saliba for that match. So we never really know. Even people like Bukayo Saka will just come back from international break, you know, so enjoying the preseason late. We don't really know that we will see that Bukayo Saka inside the match. People like Zinchenko, down self, they get injured. People like Martinelli, they don't recover. But whether they did 100% fit, that is something we don't know. So for this preseason match we want to play against Nuremberg, I want to see people like Balogun because a lot of things have been said about Balogun. So we want to make sure that Balogun impresses the manager, so we know whether he will stay and he will leave. Because at the end of the day, now Arteta will decide who will represent us or not. So all of us can only say our own opinion. So at the end of the day, we'll see what the manager does, and whatever he does, we all make sure we rally around him and support him. Alright, so for media settings, they want to ask Jorginho, say whether Arsenal don't sign Declan Rice. So Papa don't say as it stand like this now. So no Arsenal fan know whether Declan Rice now a player. In fact, say no one even talk about the guy because nobody know whether now a player. They can't even they ask Mikel Arteta. Arteta say you don't want to talk about players whenever they ask now because like you know just no as Arteta they do now. No one talk about Declan Rice at all. Say we want to talk about those with the. We want to talk about Kai Havertz, talk about some nice things. I know say Havertz is a play for a country that's Germany, so maybe that one will ginger himself to really improve. And for the preseason photo shoots and the videos where they don't post for Arsenal, Kai Havertz, they say the guy is sharp for training. You get, I ever see the guy stand side by side with Saliba. Now small thing Saliba take top pass and the guy Havertz tall those. That guy is going to give us some kind of things where they miss for the park, like all those long balls where opposition keeper they play. I think we will get somebody for the middle of the park who will jump up, more than that for our own player. We were missing all those things because our middle of the park, you have people like Xhaka, people like Partey, people like Odegaard. These are not tall guys. Get so now we don't have one tall person. At least we go add to our defense. If they play any square play, get or corner, we have an extra tall man to put the ball at the back of the net. So that's what I like. Also, for that, the Balogun said don't come for Instagram, come add Arsenal to him bio. You know, say before he come out Arsenal, so as he come add them now, a lot of people want to speculate for social media, say that is a sign that he wants to stay at Arsenal. When he go out on loan, he come out Arsenal for him bio. You get so now if we say you don't put them back, people want to say maybe for preseason you don't see some kind of things sweet him, but they can say okay, he would like to stay for Arsenal. We don't know, everything are just in the realm of speculation. So now as time go, a lot of times today for them to decide. As it did, I remember say Arteta never register players who go play for next season. So by the time when they register and come make them public, you get everybody say we will know those where they go out on loan, we will know those where go stay, those where they register to play Champions League, like we will know everything. So by that time we will know what's in the sub. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.